go. Let's pack this up. Minutas news, the minutes, FOMC minutes. FOMC minutes, in life. And it's gonna kick off very shortly. And let me see, it's monitoring for the live and the vertical YouTube. Let's have a look at this. It's going live. It's good. It's working. But I want the other one to be working. So what about the vertical? The vertical stream. Because it says unlisted. So how do I find it if it's unlisted? And let me find out about really bad recommendation from this guy. Come on. The news FOMC is gonna kick out. Come on. 1 minute time frame. On 1 minute, what's gonna happen? Trading the news live. I don't see the options. I see my option, the main option. Let me go back to the streaming panel and let's create this for this and this one. Yeah, it's unlisted. So I have to make it unlisted. Error, excellent connection. Okay, good. Good. It's going well. Privacy unlisted. So I will have to make it listed then. Okay, visibility, public, done. Why this guy made me? I don't know. I just followed the configuration from a streamer who made this before. So I'm just working out. It's all going well. And the bitrate is not as high as I wanted. So let me see. It's good enough. Yeah. Also, and let me see if I see myself here on the second live. I don't know, man. I just don't know. So what I can see. I don't find the vertical stream. But I configured everything. So let's have a look at Twitch. I'm fine on Kick. Oh yes. I'm fine on Kick. Oh yes. Everybody done? And let's see what's going on the Twitch. And also I'm live streaming on Twitch, which is coming out right now in front of your face. If you don't believe me, I will show you. Here I am. This is my Twitch account going live. So I'm basically live streaming on Twitch, Kick, YouTube vertical and YouTube horizontal, the classic YouTube. So I'm trying to make this to be appear on your screen. Excellent connection. It's pretty much fine. And it gets me the end of live stream. So at the moment, it should be fine. If I manage to get it listed, maybe I should stop the whole. I should have stopped it, but that's why I put vertical view here. So it's differentiated to the other view. So it's parallel view. So well, let me close this YouTube app here and just get this. I don't know, just play something. So it looks like it's a long stream here. This is my complex setup. Very complex setup. It's not an easy thing. I'm an IT guy, that's why I can make this work. But it's not like user friendly at all. What I have made here. But just following some tutorials and I'm installing some plugins, I managed to get this running. I'm very proud of myself. In 2 days, I set this all up and it's all working in one go. I don't believe it. It never works in the. It never works in the first go. Never anything. Nothing ever works at the first. You always in IT. You know, everybody knows this. Nothing works at the first, and you need to fix it or recalibrate or whatever until you get it running. So I'm very happy. Very happy. It's actually working. So I gave it some time and just opening my YouTube. The streams here again. I'm looking for my channel, and I have this vertical. Look, one for the phone and one for the YouTube. Okay, let me see if I get the tablet. Let me see what I see in the tablet. The tablet should have something like, maybe it's the vertical option too. And let's have a look. I don't trust it, you'll see it. This is the old one. And this is the live. And I have both. The vertical version and the horizontal version. Oh, this is not. Yeah. This is the horizontal version. It's rolling. And this is the vertical version, which is also rolling. If I maximize the screen, I'm full screen now. So if somebody's scrolling, they can see my performance here, my live performance here. Live. Fantastic. I have nothing else to say. Everything I wanted to do is just fucking working. I'm done. I am done streaming with this streaming. So let's say maybe I can play out something here, some trades. That's not my purpose of this testing. But if I can see something, I don't know. Let me see the results of the minutes. I'm very happy, very happy. Very happy it's working. And I have people like joining. My next challenge is gonna be to add the chats. Maybe I can find the chat. And I have a situation because on the vertical I see this on the screen. This platform is just it's the MT4, but I don't see this platform on the vertical screen. I don't know how to call it because it's called MacBook display capture. So it's capturing my screen basically. On the one I have two monitors, so monitor 1 and monitor 2, I capture everything that's going on monitor 1. I don't see the option on the vertical scene just to add this. So this is what I was trying to work around. I just captured I got the video capture, I got this MacBook screen capture. I'm gonna create a new one. And to say display, I can do applications, I can say building rating. Ah, yeah, I got it, I fixed it, okay. So I can say maybe I can rename it or something. No, yeah, on the vertical screen, I just need to readjust it, okay? So what I'm gonna do now, yeah, what I have to do is to because you know the screen is quite tiny and the software, the panel of the software is bigger. So what I have to do is just to extend it. And I got it all set up. Okay, beautiful. I'm gonna take a snapshot of this. These are my 4 outstreaming services for across different platforms using OBS software. Yeah. And this is my result. I'm just going to capture this as a successful setup, and I will have to add the chatbot. They call it super chat. They call it the that integrates multiple platforms, all in one chat, unified. I don't know how to do it. I'm not an expert in that field, but I will try to make my best. I can see the Nasdaq prices falling as usual. So it's really bad. It's been a really bad week. So I want to just film a little bit if I can see the numbers. Just play with micros. Like I can sell another 0.1 lot. The lot size is quite tiny, so there's no risk, nothing. There's no money, no risk, nothing in this account. So, and anyway, I just want to know how big it looks when you just see it on your phone. Let me have a look. This is part of my second testing, and let me see. Yeah. So let me see if I can see the numbers. I think I should move a little bit. Maybe here. I will be more appreciated the column. So if I set this up this way, it fits in perfectly now. Good. I like it. So it's really the border of the application now. It's the border. Before there was no border. It was not seen. So I have to just move it across. Just moved it. Good. What else? One other fix. I think I can add to this losing position. And then let me see if I can just raise this up. Why is it not working? Okay, here. This is I can have multiple positions. Let me see if I can clearly see the numbers here. Maybe I should. No, it's not because of the. No one can understand the numbers here because of the faces and the hearts, for the like and stuff. So what I should do is just move this, and maybe what I can do on this. I have to scroll this up. Just extend it, and let me see if I can see. This is the operation tool. So I think that's the way it has to be seen. So you can clearly see, the hearts, all the comments in the chat and everything, and also see the total profits, the balance. Well, not the balance, but not the balance equity, but just to see the rolling trades on the vertical. And on the horizontal, you cannot see the balance, nothing, the accounts details, but you will be able to see the asset, US Tech, the trade direction, either sell or buy, and the price with or without stop loss. Yeah, it's a lot of information that you need. You won't need anything else. So, no, I just need a little bit to raise this a little bit higher. welcome to the live chat. Remember, blah, 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 blah. So I say, okay, testing my chat. Send. And just heart, just let's say exclamation. And that's it. Chat exclamations. Yeah, I can see my chat. Welcome to the chat. Blah, 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 blah. And as long as you can hear me, the audio is quite clear. Yeah. Well, it's all working. I'm very happy. I will continue with the other tools to work out and the chat. Maybe for tomorrow. Tomorrow I will implement the chat. But it's not gonna go for the vertical. Maybe it's for me just to have the chat, a floating chat, maybe on this side, because my screen is so up to here. So I basically reserve this little space. Maybe I can have the name of the person and the comments in the live chats. And this is where I am. I'm in profits. This is not money. This is just testing out. How you see the size of the numbers are quite. Let's say. I'm distracted by my own voice here. Yeah, it's quite fair. When I listen to myself, if I monitor the audio, I just hear my feedback a few minutes delayed. So what about this? Let's go on the tablet size. Have a look at this. And I am late in the office because there's no one here. I cannot speak very clearly when there's people around. I don't want to distract people. Okay. Wait. So maybe it was not necessary just to move this. There's a big difference between the border on a tablet, on an iPad, and the borders on the live stream. Let me have a look again at this. If there is no other option. Not necessary just to move this. Yeah, it's apparently. No. The border for an iPhone is different than the border of a tablet. So, anyways, I will have to do it if both borders have to be. So the border is further inside, just eating piece of the screen, and here is perfect. Just the border, I just recalibrated it nicely. Nothing is fine. Okay, I will get this document as an example. I'll have to configure everything. This video will be, it will be for myself. And, well, and a good practice live, playing live, just making money when live. In the meantime, I'm testing. Double success. Okay, now, the second thing I wanted to do is just to have the starting and the end of the streaming. I don't have these scenes. I need to buy some video loops, and just adapt it to my branding colors. So I have my colors, in the branding. And this is an example. Let's see. Let's trail this. Let's do a 50 points trail, 50 ticks, and the 30 trail. Look at how the price is following, how the stop losses are following. These are trailing stop losses, moving along with the price action, squeezing the market on my favor in this case, because the lower it goes, just automatic trade on MT4. If I'm not satisfied, can I see just a quick reversal of 50, that's just 10 points. 10 points in Nasdaq. It's 12 points in Nasdaq. It's about 50 ticks. If I want to reverse it, I can just leave it a little space to breathe, and the moment it moves again on my favor, it will trade out. It will trade out again. This is fantastic too, on MT4, and it's quite. I just did a right click, and if I do 20 ticks, the moment it moves 20, it will. I'm out. That's a good example of how to trail stop losses when you're going in your favor. If the price reverses, you're just out. If the price continues, and if it didn't stop you out, it will continue all the way. So that's why you need to leave a lot of space between the current price, and the configured ticks distance, so it doesn't get you stop out very quickly. So, for instance, if you continue moving down lower, I should have waited a little bit more. But for the case, there's no real trail being played out here. So it was just a demonstration of my recording. Okay, have a lovely day. Cheers.